In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in Notion. If you've ever found yourself wanting to enhance your Notion workspace with images for your projects, notes, or even your personal wiki, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. This is the central hub for all your docs, projects, and anything else you might be managing. It's like your digital home base. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Simply go to the top right corner and click on the Login button if you're not already logged in. This ensures that all changes and additions you make are saved to your account. Once you're logged in and on the Notion homepage, navigate to the page where you want to add a photo. This could be any page where you're organizing or storing information, such as a project plan, a personal journal, or any customized section you've created. Open the page by simply clicking on it. Now that you have your page open, here's where the fun part begins. You'll want to activate the command box. Just type in the / key, followed by the word photo. This is a quick way to bring up options related to images. Notion uses these commands to help you find and add elements to your pages with ease. After typing photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the image option and click on it. This is where you're given the chance to choose between several ways to bring images into your page. It's a flexible feature that makes it easy to mix visuals with your text content. Next, you'll see an option to upload an image. Click on Upload, which will open your File Explorer or Finder, depending on your operating system. From here, you can browse your files and select the image you want to add. Once you've chosen your image, confirm your selection to upload it into your Notion page. It's a seamless process, allowing you to quickly enrich your pages with visuals relevant to your content. And there you go. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a photo to your Notion page. Remember, incorporating visuals not only makes your pages look better, but can also enhance understanding and information retention. So, why not go ahead and experiment with adding images to various parts of your workspace? With Notion, customization is always at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Notion space.